Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to resolve phone number cannot be used for Gmail verification. So have you tried this or encountered this problem that whenever you try to log in to your Gmail, you will see this phone number cannot be used for verification. So there are tons of reasons why you encounter this, but the very first thing you should do is to go to support.google.com and then search here about the topic phone number cannot be used for Gmail verification. So you will see here articles related to the topic, like verify your account, fix verification issues, but you just have to go directly to this phone number cannot be used for verification. And you will see this if you find this error message, the very first thing you should do is to use a different number. And the reason why you encounter this is because the phone number has been used too many times for verification. So that means that you have used this number to your Google account, other Google account, other Gmails, other social media accounts. So as you can see here, this phone number cannot be used for verification indicates that the phone number you're trying to use has been used too many times to verify Google accounts. Okay, so it means you have used the number or phone number to verify multiple Google accounts, and the phone number has been used to verify a Google account that has been involved in suspicious activity, or the phone number is associated with a country or region that Google does not support phone verification for. So if you look at number three here, then there is a big possibility that you can use a VPN to log in because most of the cases, if you use a VPN, there's a possibility that Google will not ask for a verification, but it's not applicable to all. And another thing is that you can also wait for 24 hours and try again. Sometimes the phone number will be unblocked after 24 hours and you can use a different phone number. So if you have another phone number that you can use, try verifying your account with that number. And there are also additional tips here. Only use your phone number to verify your own Google accounts. Don't abuse Google services and keep your Google accounts secure. Use passwords and enable two factor authentication to avoid suspicious activity attacks. Okay, so these are the ways and how to simply resolve phone number cannot be used for Gmail verification. So if you want to connect to a VPN, you just have to go to your Google Play Store and then search VPN. Then you can see here tons of VPNs that you can use. Okay, so you can connect to any of this here, but it is strongly suggest for you to use this Vivado VPN. It is highly recommended for safety, protection, and security of your files and your privacy. So now that you know the reason why you encounter or you see this error message, so again, all you have to do first is to change your phone number, and then second is you can connect to a VPN, and then third is that you need to be careful and limit the use of your phone number in order for you to avoid this message. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.